Greetings everyone, here is how you can convert ebook to audio.
Hey, let's learn something all interesting and essential things you need to know. There are so many things to learn and tutorials are floating around everywhere.
For that, we will be using this ebook to audio by Drew Thomason. Here are all the details of the application and it is very easy to set up. Let's first download the codes. Go to code and download zip. So the file has been downloaded, show in folder, and let me extract it here. So it has been extracted. Also, I will move this to desktop. Let me close this all. So here is the folder. Open the folder. To set up, you can directly run this CMD file. You can also use Anaconda, but this is the simplest way to do it. Simply double click on it. Now it will download all the required files and dependencies to run the application. Please note, this can take up to an hour depending on your internet connection. It nearly took 1.5 hours for us to run this. Anyway, allow this. So this is all done. Now you can go to this URL, but you will have to replace the IP address. Click Ctrl and click on the link. It will open the browser. Replace the URL with 127.0.0.1 7860 and enter. So here is the application. You can select the voices you want to use. Also clone voices, simply drag your voice, but this may not be as perfect. Let's quickly try to convert a PDF file to audio. So here is a sample PDF. You can use ebook format files as well. I just made a simple PDF for now. Let me quickly drag it here. It's uploading. Choose your voice. Choose the output format. You can select any. I will simply use MP3. For TTS, I will use XTTS. You can try with others as well. You can also upload a custom XTTS model if you want. Anyway, after this is done, simply click here. This may take few minutes. So this is all done. And let's listen how it sounds.
Hey, let's learn something all interesting and essential things you need to know. There are so many things to learn and tutorials are floating around everywhere. However, in many instances, we cannot find what we are looking for. Thus, we decided to create a website where we can bring all our research, knowledge, and experience together and share it with you.
We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.